Welcome to the Marathon 800 and 1200 ExSELLerate series training video. This video is intended to help you, our distributor sales force, demonstrate and sell the award-winning Marathon 800 and 1200 self-contained carpet extractors. There are two different models of the Marathon self-contained extractors, the Marathon 800 and the Marathon 1200. The difference between these two units is that the Marathon 800 has an 8-gallon solution tank and the Marathon 1200 offers a 12-gallon solution tank for cleaning larger areas. With sleek lines, convenient controls, patented features, and an award-winning design, the Marathon extractors deliver outstanding cleaning results and superior ergonomics that are unmatched by the competition. Before going on your product demonstration, it's important to know how to operate the Marathon self-contained carpet extractors. First, fill the solution tank. Then, plug the extension cord into the unit and then into an appropriate wall outlet. Release the brush deck with the foot pedal located at the bottom right of the unit. Turn on the brush and vacuum. Press the operation switch and pull backward. When operating the unit, make sure to overlap the cleaning paths by 1 inch. After you have completed your cleaning, empty the solution tank by using the short vacuum hose included with the unit. Hook the vacuum hose onto the back of the unit. Insert the hose into the solution tank and vacuum out any remaining solution. Empty the recovery tank with the convenient drain hose at the back of the unit. When talking about the Marathon series, the most important and distinguishing topic to focus on is the unique design. These units were designed from the ground up to operate in a natural, intuitive manner, thanks to its ergonomic design providing unmatched cleaning results. In fact, the units are award winners and are on permanent display at the Museum of Architecture and Design, which is a rare achievement and honor for a piece of commercial cleaning equipment. We won this distinction for a few reasons, but here are some of the main design features you want to be sure to talk to your customers about. First, when we studied competitive units, we discovered most of their designs lead to improper operation. What we mean by improper operation is that their design often feels most comfortable when the users are using it incorrectly. An example of improper operation is when the user pushes down or pulls up on the handle. Doing either of those things can negatively impact the vacuum shoe performance and can cause an operator to have increased fatigue during operation. The Marathon Extractor series, on the other hand, was designed to operate in a natural and intuitive manner. It was designed so well that trying to operate the unit in an improper fashion actually feels uncomfortable. Once the unit has been turned on, the operator will just naturally glide the unit. And with the chevron brush design, the unit moves effortlessly. The next design feature to discuss with your customers is the patented bladder you'll find on the Marathon Extractor series. A traditional self-contained extractor has a separate solution and recovery tank. By having these two separate tanks, as the solution tank empties and the dirty water is transferred to the recovery tank, you are actually shifting the weight of the unit from front to back. That means as you clean, you can actually decrease the contact you have with the floor surface and increase the stress on the operator. That happens because you are essentially transferring the weight from the front of the unit to the back of the unit. And when working with a 12-gallon unit, that's about 96 pounds of water that transfers from the front to the back. The Marathon series, however, offers a patented bladder that offers constant and consistent floor pressure and weight distribution because of this patented solution bladder. What's unique about the Marathon extractor is that the bladder rests inside of the recovery tank, eliminating the weight distribution issues that you face with traditional extractors. Since the bladder rests inside of the recovery tank, as it empties out, the recovery water fills in and around the bladder instead of into a separate tank. This not only keeps constant and even pressure on the vacuum chute for optimal cleaning results, but it also keeps that extra weight off of the operator, reducing operator fatigue. You should also be sure to talk to your customers about the free-floating brush deck on the Marathon extractor. When you're going to operate the Marathon, press down on the lever on the brush deck. This allows it to pivot independently of the vacuum chute and recovery tank. While in operation, this free-floating deck will self-adjust to the contours of the floor surface and the carpet pile. This eliminates the problems often seen on competitive units with a down pressure knob on the brush deck. The free-floating deck on the Marathon series of extractors allows for constant, optimal recovery and cleaning performance. There is no other self-contained extractor on the market today designed quite like the Marathon series, and it's extremely important to point out these award-winning, patented design features. As you look at the top of the Marathon 800 and 1200 extractors, you will see two clear tank lids. These lids allow for monitoring the recovery levels as well as the solution levels. Also, the lids have molded-in finger grips, which allow for easy removal and replacement when refilling and cleaning the tanks. The solution drain hose is located at the rear of the unit for easy access and draining of the recovery tank. The Marathon extractors incorporate a chevron-style cylindrical brush. The brush agitation loosens dirt and debris from the carpet fibers, ensuring a more complete and thorough clean. Again, it also practically pulls itself along when the brush is activated. While you are looking at the brush deck, you will also want to point out that the unit features 4 quick disconnect spray jets. Simply give the jets a quarter turn and they come off quickly and easily. This allows for fast and easy maintenance of the jets with no tools required. A traditional hose and wand can be attached to the Marathon extractors, allowing the operator to perform any necessary spot cleaning or reach those tight spaces normal walk-behind extractors cannot reach. Finally, you'll want to mention that the Marathon 800 and 1200 have a unique clamshell design that tips the solution and recovery tanks backwards. This ensures easy access to necessary machine components for maintenance. The Marathon series of extractors can be sold to numerous different types of customers in a variety of industries, including healthcare, schools and universities, retail and hotel settings, and they're perfect for use by building service contractors. Thank you for taking the time to watch the Marathon Extractor ExSELLerate series training video. If you need additional information on the award-winning Marathon 800 or 1200 extractors, a full Tornado ExSELLerate guide is available for you on the dealer page of our website at www.tornadovac.com, or feel free to email us at info@tornadovac.com.